Alright guys, good everyone, this is Starlight here. In today's video, we're actually going to talk about Linera, okay? You can see on my screen here that Linera has just introduced the second phase of their testnet, okay? How many of you remember the first video I made about Linera? That's the first phase of their testnet, the testnet 1 that was hosted on Gauzy. Yeah, a Gauzy campaign was done, and we had to complete series of tasks in order to earn some gravity points. Okay, and now just about a few hours ago, testnet 2, you can see it here, testnet 2 Babbage was launched. All right, so I'll show you guys how to go about this particular one, which is the second phase. And if you've not started at all, if you didn't participate in the testnet 1, you can as well do that in order to get yourself positioned. Okay, if you want to get any of this link, it is right there in my TikTok bio. Okay, so once you click on the Linktree website, you can select each and every of this page. Just try and locate Linera testnet 1 and testnet 2. Okay, there you'll be able to access the link. Okay, so this is basically how the testnet 1 phase is gonna look like. All right, it's a Gauzy campaign. All right, so all you just need to do is complete each and every of these tasks. If you look at the top here, you can see that there are different quests here. I think this is up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so you can complete the first okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The first five, the first 5 quests is still on. Then the last 4 has ended. All right, not to worry about those ones. All of those ones are more like daily check-ins. Okay, so you don't need to worry about them. You can still position yourself. Just make sure you complete each and every of these. The first, the second one, yeah, the third one, the fourth, and the fifth. Okay, so that's basically how you go about this. All right, if you need a video guide, I have posted the video guide before, so just go through my page and locate Linera testnet video. All right, there you would get the full guide on how to go about this. All right, so let's jump into the purpose of this video, which is the testnet 2 Babbage. All right, so after opening this link, after opening the site, just go ahead and log in. That's the first thing you need to do. Click on the login button at the top right here. All right, here you either continue with your Google account, all right, or you continue with your email. All right, so I'll just go ahead and log in with my email. All right, guys, you can see that I am in. Okay, here I will just quickly walk you guys through. Hold on. Congratulations, you've entered the drop. Keep earning those points. All right, let's scroll down. Testnet points. Earn testnet points by helping to spread the word about Linera on socials. Testnet points have no monetary value, of course, and are not a promise of future token reward. Okay, as for the last part, which is the future token reward, I won't tell you to really pay attention to this, because projects like this do take us by surprise. Okay, they might not really promise us a future reward, but let us not be exempted, even if maybe they have a future reward to give to their community. All right, so next is the invite friends. You can also earn points for each and every friend you invite. You earn 50 points. Okay, then here they said engage with us on Twitter. Earn points by posting about us on Twitter using at Linera_IO. Okay, then you can also earn points by engaging with Linera_IO tweets or post that tag at Linera. Okay, so all of this that we just read now, both of these that we just read now, is how you tend to accumulate points. If you look at the top here, this is where my point balance is showing. Okay, so they are simply telling you how you can accumulate points on this particular phase. Okay, the first one is by inviting referrals. Okay, inviting people. If you have friends, family, or have a community of your own, you can drop your referral link there and let them make use of it, and you earn points from them. Okay, Next is to engage with us on Twitter. Okay, I think the this is like the newest narratives. Okay, there is a particular project recently that rewarded a lot of people that yapped about their projects, that's posting about their projects on Twitter. They post about their projects and they earned more allocation than those that actually deposited real money to farm that project. Okay, so this is like one of the newest narratives now, and you can see that it's more like a sociofy kind of farming. Okay, so what you basically need to do is this: whenever Linera makes a post, you can go on Twitter there and engage on the post. Okay, like liking it and make sure you comment. All right. Another way is making posts about them. You understand? Like creating content about them. And don't forget to include the at Lenera underscore IO. So your points is gonna count. All right. So that's basically how you go about that. All right. You can also check how it works down here and also read for yourself. Okay. Then under the submission here, these are 4 available tags, which is very, very compulsory. You can see here, required step. Okay, I have completed the first one, the second one, the third one, and the last one is still ongoing. Okay, because this is the video that I'll be posting right here. Okay, it's quite easy to understand. There is no much process to all of this. Okay. And lastly, I believe a lot of people might be finding it difficult to get this Lenerian rule. Okay, so even if for those that are yet to participate for the testnet one, you would get to a particular stage where you'll be asked to join the Discord rule and obtain the Lenera to join the Discord channel and obtain the Linera rule. Okay, so I'll just quickly show you a quick step. I have posted this in our Telegram channel. If you are in our Telegram channel, this should be way easy for you. You can see here that this is mine. All right. So I would have shown you guys a quick tutorial, but I wouldn't want to make this video very long. Okay, so just follow the simple steps here. Just quickly visit this website right here, give.xyz/Lenera. Once you visited it, connect your wallet, connect all your socials. On the first quest that says Lenera rule, make sure you complete each and every task that is given there. Then lastly, you have to fund that wallet with a sum of 0.001 ETH. All right, this is about $2 worth of ETH thereabouts, and it should be on Ethereum mainnet. Okay, it should be on Ethereum mainnet network. Okay, so after you've done that, you then click on refresh. You wait for it to verify, and the rule, the Linera rule, this is it right here, would be assigned to you. Okay, once you've gotten the rule, you can come here and verify and complete the tax. Same thing goes to the Gauzy tax as well. Okay, so that's basically how you go about that, guys. If you find this video helpful, make sure to share these videos with friends and family. Don't forget to give this video a like, drop a positive comment, and make sure you're following my page as well. All right, thanks a lot for watching. Do have a wonderful day. Peace.